What an amazing single-family home in N Mcallen. Beautiful floor plan, huge window to the swimming pool, plenty of light, open floor plan. The property was recently painted and wall resurfaced for all bedrooms and dining room. The beautiful backyard is perfect for grilling and relaxing at the pool. Beautiful landscaping as well. This property has 2,331 square feet, 2 living and 2 dining areas. Check the beautiful hardwood flooring. Kitchen has plenty of storage area plus a dining room. Check this house before it is gone.